Today I'm going to show you how to install the American soft folding trifold cover on this 2019 new body style GMC Sierra 1500. Now this is going to be the same installation on the Sierra 1500 new body style and on the Silverado 1500 new body style. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing that we're going to do is take our cover assembly, we're going to put it on top of our bed rails, and then we're going to move it all the way to the front towards the cab. We also want to make sure that our storage clips are facing towards the cab as well. From there we can unclip the cover and then begin to fold it back. Once we get it all the way to the back, we're going to center it from side to side and front and back, and then we're going to carefully fold it back up towards the cab. Now we can go underneath and we have two cab side clamps. We're going to remove those from the storage position and hand tighten them until they are flat up against our bed caps. Then we're going to give an additional 2 turns to make sure that they're tight. From there, we can continue to fold the cover back towards the tailgate. Back here, you're going to have 2 more clamps. These are going to look a little bit different. They're going to be lever style. Again, we're just going to position those underneath of our bed rails and then pull the lever down to make sure it's tight. Now your rear clamps are going to be fully adjustable as well. You just need to turn clockwise to tighten them or counterclockwise to loosen them. That's going to complete the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.